Welcome back, Team TWC. It's your boy TWP Popcorn. Y'all already know what time it is. 10 a.m. Saturday, 10 a.m. Sunday, aka another day in paradise. Y'all already see we got on the Venom Thermal. Shouts out to the Super Saturdays. Y'all know Pig over there doing his thing. Shouts out to Spider Pig for keeping it consistent. Corn in the building. We get up early because we like to do what we do. For those that don't like to get up early, y'all know to come catch me at 10. Hell, I'll be right there with you again. Right back at it. Shouts out to the double dose on the morning slaps. But y'all already know how we do. We got some videos ready for y'all today. So let's get around to it and get into them, right? That back right there. We got the cultivation channel in the building. Y'all know to go link up with the Rumble. Shouts out to the Rumble because we're recording for it too. But let's go.
Pick a string, whatever you want. You can get indica sativa, never rolling plain Jane. I know some people, if you want drop 50, we ain't gon' cop any. Little mama got plenty, so many strain, puffin' the flame, nothing but dro. One for the brain, one for the one for the soul. Running with strange, keeping the party under control. Up, away, flying, how far are we gonna go? Smoke team in the building, got 'em is what the deal is. Recognize coming with Burns, Felix, fulfilling County boy, got the liquor. Casso was on the fader, Stevie came with the greenery, mixing multiple whatever you want, homie. Tell me when to say when. How about you and your friends? Come get with me and my friends and keep it real with me, girl. I don't want to pretend like this is a new thing. Really, that's what it's been like.
Hey everyone, today we're talking about cannabis reform. In the wake of the 2024 federal elections, the political landscape presents an unexpected but viable path for cannabis reform in the United States. With Republicans maintaining control of the Senate and Donald Trump returning to the White House, the stage is set for legislative action on cannabis banking and broader reforms. One key piece of legislation on the table is the Safe Banking Act, which we know would allow cannabis businesses to access traditional financial services. Historically, this bipartisan bill has struggled in the Senate, but the new political climate changed that. With increasing public support for cannabis reform across party lines, Republicans may see this as an opportunity to address economic concerns while appealing to younger and independent voters. Senate leadership could position the Safe Banking Act as jobs
so you can go ahead and do some networking while you're in here,
framing it as a way to protect small businesses in states where cannabis is legal. Also, an interesting one, the appointment of Pam Bondi as Attorney General. She adds another dynamic. Known for her pragmatic approach to enforcement, Bondi could help shift the narrative around cannabis from a criminal issue to an economic and health-focused one. By emphasizing the public safety benefits of regulating cannabis banking, such as reducing cash-related crimes, Bondi can rally conservatives to support the bill. Moreover, RFK, Robert Kennedy Jr., and his appointment as Secretary of Health and Human Services. It could pave the way for cannabis rescheduling. Kennedy, as we all know, is a vocal critic of the pharmaceutical industry. He's expressed openness to alternative therapies, including cannabis. Under his leadership, the HHS could collaborate with the DEA to move cannabis from a Schedule 1 to a lower category, recognizing its medicinal value and making it easier to do research and regulate. So, for example, Kennedy could point to states like Florida and Colorado where cannabis is already used to treat conditions like chronic pain and PTSD, demonstrating the therapeutic potential of rescheduling. Together, Bondi and Kennedy represent a unique alliance. Bondi could focus on the regulatory and public safety aspects, while Kennedy could lead the charge on the health benefits of cannabis. This combination could help overcome long-standing opposition within the Republican Party. Public examples of this strategy working include the rapid growth of cannabis industries in states like Missouri and Oklahoma, where Republican leadership has embraced the economic benefits. By highlighting these success stories, the Trump administration could make the case that cannabis reform is not just good policy, but also good politics.
What up to the big homie beat after beat?
If the Trump administration can align these pieces, pushing the Safe Banking Act in the Senate, leveraging Bondi's legal expertise, and using Kennedy's influence at the HHS to legitimize cannabis as medicine, it could lead to historic progress on cannabis reform